Hello students, welcome back e-classes of Computer of Standard 11. In previous video, we had discussed about the circle tool. Let's start with some other tools of the tools which is used to create an object. Rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is a tool who creates rectangle layers. To draw a rectangle, select the rectangle tool, click where you want any corner of the rectangle to be and then drag to the opposite corner. The rectangle tool allows the easy creation of splined rectangles. Shortcut key to create rectangle is Alt plus R. The rectangle tool can also be used to create outline layer, advanced outline layer, region layer, plant layer and curve gradient layer. Tool options available in the Tool Options panel. The parameters are displayed in the Parameter panel. If you want to see the parameters of only the rectangle object, then in the Layers panel we can select the rectangle layer. We can make the changes to the rectangle by selecting the duck and then dragging it. This image shows the ducks for the rectangle tool. Next one is a star and polygon tool. The star tool allows the easy creation of the star layers. Select the star tool icon from the toolbox, then click in the canvas window where the center of the star should be created and drag to specify the outer radius. The Tool Options panel allows you to specify the name used for the new layer. Any number in this field will automatically increment with each layer created. Star point is the number of points on which the circle is divided. Define the number of peaks of the star. Offset shows the rotation offset of the created star. This image shows use of star tool and ducks to edit the star. A polygon can be created using any number of points and then click on the first point to close it. You can make regular polygons with even number of sides using the star layers. Next one is a beeline tool. Beeline tool is used to make objects with any number of points and curves. Click on the beeline tool and start inserting the points. You can see a shape drawn using the beeline tool. To stop drawing the objects, right-click on the last point. After drawing the object can be edited using the ducks. This image shows the ducks of the shape drawn using the beeline tool. After discussing about the object drawing tools, now let's discuss some other tools. Draw tool. The draw tool is the one that most artists will familiar with it. This tool is best used with a drawing tablet, although it can be used with a mouse. This image shows the use of draw tool. Next is a fill tool. The fill tool allows you to change the color of some of the geometry type layers very quickly. It uses the default foreground color to be applied to the color of the layer you click on. This tool has an effect on the following layers: circle layer, rectangle layer, polygon layer, star layer, region layer, outline layer, checkboard layer. The other layers are not affected by fill tool because they use gradient to fill the visual area. Next one is a eyedrop tool. The eyedrop tool is a very simple. It allows to select colors from the work area. Select the eyedrop tool, then click in the work area to set the default foreground color in the toolbox to be the color you are currently pointing at. The shortcut of eyedrop tool is Alt plus E. We will continue with some other tools in next video. Thank you students.